Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I'm very excited to be introducing to everybody 2026's first make-along of the year. So, this is our second year now doing another year of make-alongs. If you are new to the concept of my year of the make-alongs, every month we have a different make-along. How many times can I say make-along in an intro? Uh, so some months there'll be prizes, some months there won't. This is more about enjoying our process together, sharing, and once again, community building. Uh, the big exception being May, which is my Spook Your Spring Make Along. This year I did add quarterly goals that specifically go and target types of yarn. So for me, I'm targeting my stash. There are those of you guys that do not have stashes. I envy you. So like we talked about it before. Anyway, if you want to see what is coming for the year, I do have a document file in the Facebook group. I also have it on the Ravelry group, so you can copy, paste, print, whatever you need to do to make it easy for you to remember. You can also go check out the video as well. So, introducing January's Make Along, finishing UFOs and languishing WIPs. So, this is an opportunity for us to clear out our craft rooms, clear up our visual space, get things ready for the rest of the year. Let's just kind of clean up, tidy up, and just checklist those things off. Some of us still have like Christmas gifts we haven't finished yet. This year, that's not me. I got done. I got done just a couple of days before Christmas, but I got done. Yeah, so this is very simple. Just if you're bringing it into the new year, let's start getting some of those. Let's clear up those project bags, clear off the hooks and needles, reclaim space, and reclaim desire to work on things. So this is a very straightforward month. So our quarterly goal for Q1 is focusing on our bulky weight yarn. So most of my subscribers are in the Northern Hemisphere where we are experiencing winter. We're literally going from a high of 75 on Christmas Day to New Year's Day. I think the high is 28. So it's winter some days here. Yeah. Well, welcome to the Carolinas, where you don't know what season you're in from day to day. In the same week, you can experience all 4 seasons. We have multiple falls, and winters every single year. Rarely do we have fall summer, though. We'll have a coast up summer. Yeah. Anyway, we're focusing on bulky weight yarn. Get all that chunky stuff out. Get bulky, super bulky, mega bulky, whatever you've got that's size 5 or above. So for me, it's this section of my yarn stash. I've got 4 cubes here of bulky weight yarn. I do have 2 circled to be potential cardigans and sweaters here. I do have a pack somewhere up here also of a chunky weight yarn. So we're focusing on that for January, February, and March. Obviously, as this is a month where we're working on UFOs and languishing WIPs, these do not need to be started and finished by the end of the month. Pictures can be uploaded to the Facebook group. I will have a featured post where you can comment your project down below in whatever state it's in. Just share your pictures. I will be doing a mid-month check-in to remind everybody where we are, share the projects that have been submitted, share my own progress of where we're going. And we will also have a monthly wrap up with everybody's pictures in it as well. You can also share on the Ravelry group. There's a pinned post sticky to the top for each month's make along. As we hit February will be pinned, March will be pinned. You'll see it and understand. If you don't want to share like on Facebook or Ravelry. If you're not a member of those, whatever, you can send me a DM on Instagram. My handle is down below, or you can send me an email following the directions in the description box down below. So multiple ways to share your projects, multiple ways to keep in touch. And I can't wait to see what you guys are working on and what you guys get finished. For 2025, you guys blew me out of the water. You amazed me every single month at how much you guys were getting done, how much progress you were making on things, the types of projects you guys jumped into. So I cannot wait to see what you guys are making this month. I love you. I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day. As always, I look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye, guys.